Welcome to our channel Hridhaan and Ritvik.
In today's video, we are going to Vaishno Devi, and it's my first time going there, and it's also my first time making a video or vlog of traveling, and that also of Vaishno Devi. So let's start our yatra. So first, we are going to the railway station to catch a train. So you can enjoy the footage. Now we are here at the railway station to catch a train.
हावड़ा से आने वाली पानीपत
If you can see in the footage, you can see that how foggy it is in Jammu and Kashmir. So now we have reached Katra, from where we will go to Vaishno Devi, of course. And you can see we are already in Vaishno Devi, but we are going to the temple or the bhavan. And now right now we are going to the hotel to take some rest, and then we will continue the yatra. So I'm back after taking some rest. Now we are going to the the bhavan, or you could say the Vaishno Devi temple, and you can see this is a photo clicked by me of Vaishno Devi, and you can just enjoy the footage now. And now you can see the river like thing called Banganga. It is said that goddess Vaishno Devi used an arrow and made this river. So after some time I was tired, so I took a horse and did the half journey there. And you can also hear the dhol which is playing in the background, and it is played here in the starting, and which makes people really feel really energetic. So whenever you come to Vaishno Devi, on the way, you will see many hotels, restaurants, you will see many helicopters, and you will also see ropeways and many other things. But I didn't got a chance to go in the ropeway because by the time I was there, the ropeway was closed. And also, you will also find many plastic bottle recycling machines. And after this, we ate some food, and then we went to the bhavan. But unfortunately, taking cameras to the bhavan is not allowed, so I couldn't make any more video after this. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Jai Mata Di.